In this short tutorial, I will show how to buy shares of Palladyne AI Corp, a technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PDYN. This is an educational walkthrough only and not financial advice. Trading involves risk, and you should do your own research. To trade, you must use a licensed broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PDYN to find Palladyne AI Corp. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed result so you locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading activity. Double-check the company description and the NASDAQ PDYN label to confirm it is the right listing. Tap the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the order is executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example eToro page is in the description if you want to explore the platform.